Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. How to clean toilets like a pro. You probably won't be surprised by this, but toilets are on the top of everyone's hardest to clean list. Whether it be because of the tough stains, harsher chemicals, or extra scrubbing, knowing how to clean toilets is extremely important. So we've asked some professional cleaning business owners for their inputs on cleaning toilets, and what they do to impress their clients with how clean their toilets look. Relocate items near the toilet. Safety always comes first, so the first step is to move all items from the top of the tank and base of the toilet to a safe area. Items can include tissue boxes, room deodorizer sprays, and even the toilet plunger. Get them away from the toilet and to a safe area, where they won't accidentally fall or get knocked down. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know. Cleaning the inside of the toilet bowl. Close the lid and flush once thoroughly to wet the interior of the bowl. Add an oxalic acid-based cleaning solution of your choice to remove stains and soils. Cleaning the tank and seat. Spray the tank and seat with a sanitizer and Viricide. Use a microfiber towel to dry and clean up. Begin at the tank and work your way down. Don't forget, pay special attention to the lid, seat, hardware attachments, base, and behind the toilet. Final cleaning touches. Make sure the items you relocated at the beginning are clean and then return them to their original spots. Add a nice finishing touch by creasing the toilet tissue in the wall-mounted dispenser into a triangle. This will give it a hotel-style look and says a job well done to our clients. Why we do it this way? Clients will often arrive home, go straight into the bathroom, and check the base of the toilet to see whether it's been properly cleaned. If any residual dirt is found, it can set off a chain reaction of further inspection and complaints about the rest of the home cleaning. If you get the toilet cleaned correctly, you're less likely to hear complaints about other areas of the home. Watch our other cleaning videos and find out 4 best paste and wax form cleaning products. Feel free to share our videos to other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Check the description below to see our favorite products.